Did you know you can synchronize your smart bulbs with your holiday playlist? This is a great way to use your smart home to show off your holiday spirit. You can even sync your lights with your favorite holiday movie for a truly immersive experience. And it's really easy. I'll show you how. There are two parts to this process. You'll need to create an entertainment area with the smart lights you want to use, and then you'll link them to your music. The steps will vary based on the manufacturer of your smart lights. I'll walk you through the steps for Philips Hue lights, since they're one of the most common brands. And this will only work if you have the multicolor capable lights, not the plain white ones. To create an entertainment area, open the Philips Hue app. Go to Settings, Entertainment Areas, Create Entertainment Area. Then select the room or rooms you want to sync with your lights, and tap Continue. Choose the lights you want to include and follow the steps to finish the setup. Now you're ready for step 2, syncing your entertainment area with music. First, you'll need to download the Hue Essentials app. It's free for iOS and Android. Open the app and follow the steps to link your Hue lights. To sync with music or a movie, tap Entertainment. From here, select the light effect you want to try. We use Dance Sensation the most. Select which entertainment area you want to sync with your lights. You can only do one at a time. When you tap the entertainment area, you'll see options to customize the lighting effects. To make it Christmassy, we're setting the sliders to reds and greens. When you're ready to sync, hit play or start. And if you want to take it to the next level, you can even get smart lights for your Christmas tree and sync that too, like these Twinkly brand on Amazon or these Novalink brand from Home Depot. Each brand comes with its own app where you can customize the color scheme, set routines, and of course, pair with your Christmas music. And that's it. Now your next holiday party is going to be better than ever. You can show off your smart home know-how and your holiday spirit at the same time. Is Santa bringing your family new tech this year? Don't forget Asurion Home Plus. Protection and support for nearly all the tech under your roof. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more smart home tricks.